They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone.
Hi and welcome to BIM Tech Solutions. In this video we're going to look at creating a generic wall-based OAP with shared parameters for reporting and schedules. To start off, we're going to go to File, New, Family, and we're going to use our generic model wall-based. Now, first of all, select your wall and pin it. This stops it highlighting when we're creating the OAP. Now, on our placement side elevation, we go to Create Reference Plane, and we create our 4 reference planes. We can select this reference plane and use the mirror tool to create our 4th reference plane. Now we need to set some dimensions. So we go Annotate, Aligned, and we'll go from left to center to right. Click the Equal tab, and then we go from left to right, and we'll leave that open for now. Do the same on the side, we go from bottom to top, and we'll leave that open for now. Now we're going to set some shared parameters. Select your dimension on top, go to Create Parameter. This is where we'll create our first shared parameter. Go to Select, Create, and we'll call it a Builder's Worksets file, and we'll save that. Now we need to create a new group. So we'll call this Builder's Worksets, and click OK. Now we need to set some new parameters within that group. So our first one will be OAP width. We want that as a length parameter. Go to New, OAP height, and we want that as a length parameter. And we want to go OAP depth, and that's a length parameter. Now our first one there we want is OAP width. We'll click OK. We want that as an instance parameter. Click OK. We'll lock that in place. Now select your side dimension. We want a shared parameter. We select. We want that as our OAP height parameter. We want that as an instance parameter. And lock that in place. Now, on our floor plan reference level, we're going to create our extrusion. So we'll go to Create, Extrusion. Doesn't matter where we create this for now. We can lock it to our 2 reference planes. And now we want to set some more dimensions. So we'll go to Annotate, Aligned, and we'll set it here to the center, to this side, and click the Equal tab. We'll go from outside to outside here, and we'll set this as a shared parameter as our OAP depth. We want that as an instance parameter. We'll click OK on that, and we can click Finish. Now, in our placement side view, we select our extrusion, we pull the top to the top reference plane and lock it in place, and the bottom to the bottom reference plane and lock it in place. Now we want to set a material for our OAP. To do this, we're going to have to create a new material. So we'll select our extrusion, and over here with the 3 little dots tab, we want to create a new material. So you right click on that, rename, we're going to call it Builder's Worksets. In appearance, over here, we want this to be, doesn't matter what color, I'm going to set this to blue. Transparency, we want to set that to, I'm going to go with 60%. And click apply. And we go back to graphics. And we're going to use our render appearance. And we can change our surface pattern here to blue as well. Click OK. Now we change to fine and shade it. We see we have our open. Now we'll test our parameters to make sure they're working okay. So go up here to family types. We'll just change these to 400, 300, and apply. And we'll click OK. We'll go into our 3D view, go to fine, shade it, and we're going to go to family types and change our open depth to 200 and apply. And it's working okay. Now we want to go to file and save as. Save your family wherever you want. So I'm going to save mine. I've one created already. So there. And save. That didn't work. So we'll go to file, save as, family. And I'm going to call it op1. Now we want to test out of OP to see it working in a project. So we'll go to file, new, project. We'll go to construction template, it's fine. And we're going to create a wall. So we'll go here and just select wall. We won't bother changing these for now, it's just to test our OP. We'll draw a wall straight across there. Now, up here we can go back into our OP and we're going to load this into our new project. So we're going to go to load into project. And there you see it's selecting our wall. So we're going to place a few of these for now. Just place them anywhere at all. Now we can go into our north elevation. We see our OPs are there in the wall. Now the problem we have there is we haven't set them for the depth of the wall. So you can hide the wall and just change them to 300. Now we'll go 325, so they're just protruding through the wall. So press HH. There's your OPs. So we're going to give these a mark value. So we're going to call this Builders Works OPs -01. Builders Works OP -02. Builders Works OP -03. It doesn't matter what we call them for now, it's just to show in the schedule. Now we want to check if they're working. So we're going to change these about. So we're going to put this one 500 by 500. This one we can put 200 by 200. This one we'll leave it 400 by 400. And we'll leave the other two. It's just to show you how the schedule works. So now we'll go over here and we'll right click on schedule and quantities. We want a new schedule and we're going to go with generic models and click OK. And we want to have our mark value. You should see our shared parameters here now. So we want our OP depth, our OP height, and our OP width. And click OK. And there you have your Builders Works OPs. You have your depth, your height, your width. Now if you want, I can show you a quick and easy way of numbering them. Just comment below and I'll create a video for it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.
They
Thanks.
say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.